Jyoti ji, thank you for being a part of the beta program and for trusting us with your investment journey. Really grateful for that. Tell us a bit about yourself. कि अब तक की जो जर्नी रही है इन्वेस्टमेंट्स को लेके, and why did you decide to join this beta program of ID?
Yeah. Hi Vikas. Firstly, thank you so much for inviting me. I'm Jyoti Rankar from Bangalore. I work as a marketing manager in a firm involved in imported fabric. And about me, I love playing indoor games and visiting new places with friends. And about joining this ADI program, I was investing in a different app previously where what I noticed is, I'm incurring losses due to lack of knowledge, and I would always see the red mark. And probably, you are not able to make the right decision at times since you don't have that much knowledge and you're new into the market and it's a new subject altogether. So I didn't have that much knowledge, so I couldn't make the right decision when to enter, when to exit. So when I spoke to you regarding this, that's when I decided, I should be joining this. And yeah, so that's the reason, I joined.
Right. About your investment journey. See, you've been investing for some time through some other
Yes.
apps. Any details about how was that journey? How long have you
Yeah.
been investing?
Well, as you always say, na, Guru bina gyan nahi.
Mm-hmm.
That fits my investment journey. Since I had no knowledge about it, जिसने जो बोल दिया, किसी अंकल ने बोल दिया, किसी फ्रेंड ने बोल दिया, ये अच्छा चल रहा है, डाल दो. तो even without thinking, forget about डाल दो, even without thinking, what should be my investment amount in that particular shares. अरे किसी ने बोला अरे इसमें तो बहुत ऊंचा जाने वाला है, तो मेरे पास जो है सब उठा के डाल दिया. And then I see that अरे यार it's a wrong decision. And sometime it was right. But sometime it was wrong. So ultimately ये हुआ कि इतना करने के बाद भी I would not reach that stage, जहाँ पे मुझे लगा अरे यार I'm really satisfied. या तो मैं बहुत लॉस कर लिया या कहीं अच्छा प्रॉफिट कर लिया. At the end of the day कुछ भी नहीं किया.
Balanced out.
Yeah, either balance हो जाएगा, either loss हो जाएगा. It's like that. So nothing great, Darshan, direction. वो definitely I have gained from that. I know it feels, very good जब मैं देखती हूँ कि whatever, small इन्वेस्टमेंट ब्रेक करके डाल रहे हैं. इट्स नॉट दैट कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं है वो कि एक ही शेयर में सब डाल दिया. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. So that discipline definitely it has come from ID.
So, Jyoti, tell us a bit about your experience so far with ID. You've done investments prior to ID, and it was a learning journey, as you said. How has ID helped you with your investment objectives?
See, if I talk about my experience with ID, so far it's been very, very satisfactory. Earlier, I used to invest without any plans, without any direction, but now it's not the case. You provide insights, some readings, information, some links you share. So we go through and then we take our decision. So basically, IDA has been a guide, a teacher, a guru. It has just been with us, providing us the path. And then we take our decision. कहाँ invest करना है, कितना करना है. Along with discipline, decision making भी slowly improve हो रहा है. Now I don't, listen कि कोई दोस्त ने बोल दिया, मैं सुन ली, चलो मैं डाल दूंगी. It's not that. So anytime when I have some spare money and I feel that I want to invest, so I do my research. I ask you as well. You always provide with some content, some information. You say read through it, take your own decisions. So that definitely help. When we learn.
तो अभी तक आपका जो एक्सपीरियंस रहा है विद आईडी, जो इन्वेस्टमेंट थोड़ा सा वो डायरेक्टेड हो गया डिसिप्लिन के साथ, एंड देयरफॉर प्रोडक्ट पे आपका क्या एक्सपीरियंस?
See, as a product, there are 2-3 points, which I would like to mention. Firstly, it's very smooth, to work on it. Secondly, क्या होता है कोई भी शेयर्स के लिए अगर आपने सजेस्ट कर दिया हम खरीद लेंगे, बहुत आसान काम है. Just click of a button, you buy it. When exactly to enter? When exactly, even people who have very good knowledge, it's easy to buy for them कि चलो बहुत पैसा है एंट्री कर लेंगे. बट व्हेन एग्जैक्टली टू एग्जिट इज द मोस्ट क्रूशियल डिसीजन अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. कि अगर आपका शेयर लॉस भी कर रहा है, शुड यू एग्जिट और यू शुड स्टिल रिमेन ऑन दैट is a very crucial decision to make, and most of us fail to make the decision. At least I have failed most of the time, during my investment in other apps, because of which I know I always used to think, थोड़ा और नीचे अभी आ रहा है, इट्स ओके, चढ़ेगा, मार्केट ऊपर जाएगा, इतना आएगा तो मैं बेच दूंगी. एंड व्हेन इट कम्स टू दैट पॉइंट आई फील कि नहीं वो लालच आ जाता है कि नहीं अभी शायद थोड़ा और ऊपर जाएगा, and we don't end up selling that. So I have gone through that phase a lot of time, which I think more or less मैं उससे बाहर निकल गई हूँ. So I don't face that anymore in ADI. So that is one, entry exit बहुत easily. And second, order place करना. So that is the biggest plus point of your ADI program. Click of a button, you place order for all the shares and all the holdings that you have. So I think that is a best feature. I really love that. Plus, we can calculate. पता रहता है जब order place हो रहा है तो we know कि अगर इतना percentage ऊपर जा रहा है तो it ends up selling. इतना percentage नीचे आते ही it ends up buying. So with time, हमको अपना knowledge base भी strong. एक thumb rule, we have to create for ourselves. So we know मार्केट का एक थंब रूल होना चाहिए कि अगर मैं किसी के बोलने पे भी इन्वेस्ट कर रही आई एम नॉट टेकिंग आईडीज एडवाइस नाउ आई नो इट कि अगर इतना परसेंटेज नीचे आ गया तो मुझे बाय कर लेना है एवरेज के लिए, नॉट बिफोर दैट. एंड इतना परसेंटेज ऊपर आ गया मुझे लालच नहीं करना है, एटलीस्ट सम पोर्शन आई शुड सेल एंड गेट सम मनी. तो दैट इज अ वेरी गुड पार्ट ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट. आई रियली लव दोस फीचर्स. ऑन अ फनी नोट, धनहीन या धनवान तेरे आईडी पे सब समान, चाहे अदानी का शेयर हो चाहे कोई छोटा मोटा शेयर हो, इट फॉलोज द सेम रूल. या इट्स गुड.
अच्छा, नेक्स्ट जो था थोड़ा बहुत आपने ऑलरेडी टच अपॉन किया है. वन थिंग अबाउट आईडी व्हिच यू फाइंड द मोस्ट रेलेवेंट इन योर इन्वेस्टिंग जर्नी.
I think entry exit, because that was something I was very weak at. I was never able to decide on the right time. So yes, that's the most relevant for my investment. एक है एंटर, तो आप जिस मिनट डिसाइड करो आप एंटर कर जाओ आईडी में. दैट्स वन गुड थिंग. सी इट्स ऑलवेज द फर्स्ट स्टेप जो हम ले नहीं पाते. या तो प्राइस बोले जो भी रहने दो मार्केट का उस वक्त, द मिनट आई डिसाइड आई एंटर. दैट इज व्हाट आईडी अलाउज अस टू डू. इफ आई डिसाइड राइट अवे, बट exit is something which I don't think most of us are able to decide. But yeah, personally me, was never 99% of the time I was not able to decide when to exit. So yes, this has been the best feature for an investor like me. Allow it balances later. बहुत ज़्यादा नीचे आ गया तो वो buy करके average कर देगा. So you're in a win-win situation even if the market goes down or the market goes high. So either ways, this app keeps you in a win-win situation.
हाँ, मेरा था फंडामेंटल इन्वेस्टिंग में मार्जिन ऑफ सेफ्टी, समथिंग which you find missing in ID. आपको कुछ लगता है which will make life easier for a lot of other investors.
I have feedback on that. As I think I would have mentioned earlier also, but yeah, मुझे लगता है कि जो आपका जो 25-50 का जो slots, if it can be decreased, there are a lot of investors, who want to get into it, but since ये एक नया ऐप है या नया एक्सपीरियंस है लोगों के लिए, even small investors want to start somewhere. I understand कि 5,000, 10,000 में कुछ नहीं होता है, but just to start, just to get an introduction of what a hang of this app, if this slab can be decreased, at least for housewives and who are not earning, who have small amount with them, they can start with this if the slabs are decreased. नहीं, और मेरे को ज्यादा कुछ ना क्लासेस करो ना बच्चों के लिए भी, बिकॉज आज के डेट में इतना कॉम्पिटिटिव. अभी जैसे मेरी बेटी 10th कर रही है, बट शी सेज कि मम्मा मुझे आई वांट टू लर्न दिस, बट आई डोंट नो, आई कांट सेंड हर एनीवेयर because you don't know when it is money matters, especially कौन क्या feed कर दे दिमाग में. So if there are some safe places where we can send our kids just to get the basic hang of how share market works. So most of them हमको नहीं आता है, so हम market news article, लेकिन मुझे क्या लगता है कि there should be कुछ ऐसा एक ऐप होना चाहिए. Suppose it's an ID app only, but that is for kids from age group this to this, say 14 to 18 years या 21 years, जहाँ पे they are not investing real money. आप उसको कुछ money provide करते हो, virtual money.
I get your point.
Exactly. And जैसा हम investment कर रहे हैं, gain कर रहे हैं, yeah, just to motivate them, so that can be a monetary benefit for those kids. A motivating vitamin M जो सब बच्चों को चाहिए, या आज की डेट में सबको चाहिए, भाई बच्चे बड़े बूढ़े सबको चाहिए. But they're playing around with virtual money, not real money. So they will get the hang of things. And they will not want to lose just because it's a virtual money कि चलो यार ये तो ऐसे ही free में. They know कि अगर ये इसको बढ़ाएंगे तो they get some benefit. So that way, their learning can get a bit more serious. They will understand. जब तक gain नहीं है ना, वो interest नहीं. Yeah, because that's the goal they have to reach. So that can be for anybody, in fact. Why just kids? अगर मुझे सीखना है, मुझे लगता है कि नहीं यार मुझे सीखना है, तो I will give here, I'll register आई विल स्टार्ट रीडिंग, प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंस होने लगा। मैं मार्केट से शेयर भी बाय कर, वो सब कुछ कर रही हूँ, पैसे भी लग रहे हैं, पैसे आए, लॉसेस भी हो रहे हैं, बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आई एम नॉट लूजिंग एनीथिंग इन एक्चुअल्स। इफ यू कैन बिल्ड विद एडी, आई एम श्योर यू नो, और वहां पे आपका एक बेस तैयार हो जाएगा फॉर योर पोटेंशियल एंड फ्यूचर इन्वेस्टर्स, रियल इन्वेस्टर्स। आई डोंट नो, कुड बी अ
Makes sense. Makes a lot of sense.
once people start earning, you know, with virtual money, actual earning शुरू हो जाता है, like I said कि so once you know people start earning from that, they understand कि इससे earn करके हम इस पे
ओके, सो आप काफी टाइम से इन्वेस्टमेंट, मेरा सवाल ये है कि व्हाट इज योर की टेक अवे और मैसेज टू इक्विटी इन्वेस्टर्स को एज एन इन्वेस्टमेंट फॉर लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टिंग?
patience is the mother of all success. So जो new investors है, my message to them would be keep patience, stay consistent. With consistency, small investments can give you good returns, big returns, as long as you're consistent. No risk, no gain. Anything business कर लो, कुछ भी, एक risk तो factor involved रहता है, but as long as you're disciplined, you're focused, I think at the end of the day you get good fruits. If your roots are good, you know, उसको nourish करो अपने roots को with lot of discipline and focus and consistency, I think you will end up getting good fruits. Rest is luck. But we can try our best, you know. Instead of बस market भाग रहा है तो बेच दो या खरीद लो, बस have I decision लेने के बदले you should take disciplined decisions. And अगर थोड़े बहुत लॉस हो भी जाते हैं तो with time sure you'll be able to come out of it. इतना major hitback नहीं है is what I understand. अगर हम इस ऐप से जो discipline हमको सीखने को मिला है, I don't think it's a major hitback कि we will not be able to bounce back. Exactly. Instead of keeping ego, I feel there's no harm in taking, you know, advice from right people. There's no harm. And then making your own research.
Yeah. So what are your thoughts as a female investor in terms of home and everything? How do you find the balance of trying to figure out and keep things in perspective?
You ask how much influence I get with family, हमारे मेरे. I'm 100% independent. My decisions are not influenced by my husband or my brothers or my relatives. Yeah, maybe, you know, 1 or 2% when we sit together, we talk and उसके पास कुछ नया information है जो मुझे reliable लग रहा है. So that way, it's up to me whether I want to take the decision or whether I want to take that information from him. But the decision is 100% mine. Nobody influences. But उसका interest नहीं है share market में. मेरे husband का interest नहीं है. And मेरा है. So he says ठीक है, do whatever you want. बस देख लेना डुबाना हुबाना. So it's complete mind decision. So invest, you know, with that fact in mind that it's a hard-earned money. Because at the end of the day, even though I'm not answerable, but I am responsible. At the end of the day, when you are in a family, anything that you earn belongs to everybody. It's मेरे अकेले का नहीं है. ये अगर मैं कमा भी रही हूँ तो वो मेरे अकेले का नहीं है. It's वो मेरे बच्चे का है, मेरे husband का है, मेरी family का है. So of course I am responsible for what I'm investing.
It's good to know, and I think that will resonate with a lot of other participants.